How to add Atom Cosmos Hub on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Atom Cosmos Hub on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Cosmos Hub. To add Cosmos Hub on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page. Now again tap on Cosmos Hub and click on Receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you'll be able to receive Cosmos Hub from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Cosmos Hub onto your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.